Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Lance with Hawks Outdoors, and today we're going to talk about this beautiful black Mamba. Right now she's sitting on 305s with these Nebo grappler tires that'll get you out of the mud, out of the sand, up any trail that you're looking at, with these Method 18-inch bronze wheels. I mean, the combination of the black and the actual bronze wheels is just super clean. So we continue moving down the vehicle. On top of here, we threw the overland roof rack system, where you can see it has these integrated lights here and mirrored on the other side, as well as these agency handles. You can hang on there and just start doing pull-ups, get a quick little workout. They're that really strong. Moving to the front, as you can see, blacked out EcoDiesel emblem, which just looks super clean with the whole kind of like murdered out theme of the whole Ram EcoDiesel. Move up here to this front, it's just this massive bumper. Doesn't matter where you're going through, going to the ranch, driving down the highway, it's noticeable. People aren't going to mess with it. You know what I mean? If you're going to hit something, they're going to be hurt. You're going to be okay. This thing is, hear that? Look, that hurts. That is a monster. And then as you can see, as inside of the actual bumper, it has dual KC lights here, dual KC lights here, and of course it wouldn't be this bumper without this big old worn winch. Continue moving all the way around. The same thing, the beautiful clean Nebo tires, the rest of the side of the actual overland roof racks with those mirrored lights up top. And really, the cool thing about it is, if you're a construction worker, if you like to help, your family move up and down with different moving projects, you'll be okay with throwing stuff in the back of your truck, because it already has the Rhino lined out liner, so you're not going to have a worry in the slightest. Moving back, the last awesome thing, same thing, rear bumper, and it's just solid steel with the two rigid lights coming out the back, so you're going to have plenty of rear lighting right here in the rear. Here we have the king cab, with, as you can see, there is a ton of room in there to watch. Full grown men, easily fit two people in here. You can even throw your doggos in here, and your doggos, because I'm a big dog person myself, have plenty of room to roll around, lay down. You throw the seats up, they're happy and comfortable. Let's move on to the front. I am a short man. Yes, I jump out of trucks. You're welcome. So here we have the 3.0 EcoDiesel V6 that gets over 20 miles to the gallon. We also added the Garmin navigation system to where no matter where you're going, you're going to have your way through the trails, through the city, going across country, you're set. So what we can do right now, we're turn on this bad boy and see how it sounds. I don't know about you, but I am a huge fan of just hearing the engine of EcoDiesel turn on. It's just, woo! It feels good.